Hey everybody, Jim Hahn back with you, and thank you for checking out our rosary making course. Today I'm going to show you how to make our adjustable rosary bracelets. So these bracelets are completely adjustable, so they'll fit on anybody's wrist, and then you can tighten them up. You can either leave them as a temporary bracelet or you can make them permanent. I'll show you how to do that. But these are the adjustable rosary bracelets. I'll show you how to make this little slide joint here so that the rope slides in and out, makes it adjustable. So that's what we're going to do today in this video. And if you do have any questions, you need supplies, want to know how to do something that maybe isn't on a video, please reach out to me and let me know, realliferosary.com. But for now, let's jump into making a single-decked rosary bracelet. Let's go. Okay, so to make the single-decked adjustable bracelet like this bracelet adjusts the size so it can fit any wrist. You can place it on the wrist and like so. Then you can either cut this off right here and singe that up and burn it up so that it's permanent. It has to be cut off, or you can just make it so it's adjustable and comes right back off. So to make that, first of all, we need about 5 feet of twine. So not like a rosary where we need 18 feet. We just need 5 feet of twine, which I already cut. And I already made the beads just for sake of time. So, and what I did is I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Hail Mary beads, an Our Father bead, another Our Father bead that is the top of the cross, and then the bottom of the cross. So this is a lilacs. And you'll see, so I have the 9 beads, an Our Father bead, and then the top and the bottom of the cross. Now, what I do to make this an adjustable bracelet is I go ahead and I make the 10th bead on this short end here where I started from, and I leave the long end out here. So we'll go ahead and we'll make this 10th bead, but I'm not going to take it off the tool. I'm going to leave it on there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the other end of this and I'm going to slide it in, back in through the tool. Sometimes it's easier to move the knot down on the tool a little ways. So I'm going to place this into that slot and then push it over. And so this is going to make my loop. And I'm going to tighten this knot up. I don't want to tighten it too tight. I do want to leave it just a little bit loose so I can loosen and tighten that loop. So I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to cut off this excess piece. I'm going to burn this, but I'm going to be very careful to not get this melted twine attached to the twine that's coming through. I don't want it to catch this. I just want it to seal that up and keep it from coming unraveled. So now I have my adjustable loop, like so. And so what I'll do is take my tape and I'm going to come down here probably about 4 or 5 inches, place my tape there, roll it around. I'm going to cut that. What I like to do, if you receive one of these from me in the mail, is I like to just put a knot there at the end, just in case. I don't want anyone to pull on this too hard and it to slide through and ruin the bracelet, so I do that. So the extra piece is going to help me make the cross arms. So in that space between the top of the cross and the bottom of the cross, I'm going to put this extra piece of twine, and I'm just going to make an overhand knot. And we're going to tighten that up like that. Then I'm going to put the arms of the cross on either side. So like I mentioned before, I do 3 wraps on this side. Pull that tight. That's that arm. Then I'll do 3 wraps on this side. I'll show you how to, there's a little kink there by the where it's adjustable, and I'll show you how to straighten that out. So then I have my other arm of the cross. And again, we have another video that shows you how to make this cross, where I go into more detail about how we push towards the center and pull away, and we keep working that until it's a good, tight, solid cross. So I'm going to cut these off. Like so. Gonna melt that down so it doesn't come unraveled. Smooth it over so it won't catch on anything. Same thing on this side. And so we have our bracelet. Now notice there's a little kink right here. And so I can pull that and kind of twist the bracelet a little bit and get that out. But that's our finished bracelet. So those are adjustable bracelets. So they can fit just about any size wrist or hand or wherever you want to put that. But they adjust through that knot there. Keeps wanting to kink up a little bit. Twist it. You just have to work it a little bit to get that out. But those are the adjustable bracelets. Check out our other videos for other tutorials on how to make our bracelets, keychains, and rosaries. And thanks for checking us out. God bless you.